got the Silverado, AJ Silverado. We're about to hit the trails, and Wifey is gonna do the driving. Kids are over for the ride. AJ, say hi. Kathy, say hi. No. She's a feisty one.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Pretty successful day. We just had some carne asada, made some tacos. Adrian, we're here observing the view. Look at this. We're out here having some time, having a good time. There's people out here having a good time as well. Yeah, we're just enjoying the views, right, baby? It's fucking beautiful out here. Once you're up on top, you know, it gets really nice, and you know, it's kind of cold, kind of windy. That's what's wearing my jacket. But overall, I think it's been a fun day. What do you think, AJ? Like the trip today?
Yeah, it was good.
You think AJ had fun? I think it's a pretty good experience. The last time we were out here, we were just riding the quads, and we didn't really do many of the trails. But this time around, you know, he had the truck, and so we're able to, you know, hit the trail. So we're gonna get back on it right now. We're gonna start heading down, and hopefully we have no incidents.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Taco here. We just wrapped up at Rowher Flats, me and AJ, and the Silverado on 35s and the Tacoma on 33s. We just finished the Rowher Flat Trail, the Rowher Trail. The whole trail is a black diamond, and right now we're using a Max Track air compressor from Napa. Shout out to Daniel Park from SoCal 4x4 for you know, telling the group about it. So before I purchased it, I was using a compressor with slime, right? The ones you get from AutoZone, and that thing took literally about 45 minutes to an hour to fill up the truck to the appropriate you know, air levels that I wanted. So you know, with this one, earlier, one of my tires was at 23 psi while I was at home, and when I was airing up, it literally took 5 seconds for it to go to 35. So I am having a bit of an issue with it. The gauge on it is not 100% accurate. Hey, AJ, the gauge is not accurate, all right? So how was that quicker than yours? Did you test it out? So I mean, even the air compressor that my boy has, it's still faster than his, right? So I'm about to time how long it takes me to go from 18 psi to 35 psi, which is what I regularly run my tires at. Yeah, I mean, take a look at this, you know, this background. I mean, look at that trail. We just did this trail. We started about 1 p.m. About 1:30, 1 p.m. We did the trail. We completed it. No issues, no getting stuck. Obviously, we had to kind of spot each other. A lot of the times, you'll see in you know, one of my other videos, I really didn't have a spotter. And there's not a lot of footage of my Tacoma because I was the one kind of guiding him, because I've done this trail in the past, not the complete Black Diamond Trail, but I have done a portion of it. We started off in the main entrance on, I think it's Sierra Highway, and we ended up here next to the reservoir. It was a dope trail. I definitely recommend you guys check it out. So without further ado, I'm gonna do a timing of how long it takes me from start to finish on airing up my 4 tires from 18 psi to 35. So my wife is driving the Tacoma. We're going downhill. Then we're flats. We're by the hole right here. This is the famous hole. It's very dug up today. I kind of want to try it, but turning around to do the obstacle is going to be very difficult, and it's very dug up. So we're going to skip this one for today. Brakes, 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 brakes. Stay on the brakes, keep going down. Stop! Right, we're walking down the trail, so why are you going all the way over there? Go! Yeah.